I am M. Satish Kumar Reddy, Assistant Professor in Nalala Reddy Engineering College. I am discussing about binomial distribution. What is binomial distribution? Who is find out binomial distribution? Binomial distribution was discovered by James Bernoulli in the year 1700. Binomial distribution was discovered by James Bernoulli in the year 1700, and it is a discrete probability distribution. What is binomial distribution? A random variable x has a binomial distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability distribution is p of x equal to r equal to p of r, NCR into p to the power of r, q to the power of n minus r, if r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on n. Here p equal to NCR into p of r equal to NCR p to the power of r, q to the power of n minus r, if r equal to 0, 1, 2, so on n. q equal to 1 minus p. If p of r equal to 0, if r equal to negative values, means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. Here binomial distribution is calculated only non-negative values. In binomial distribution formula, p of x equal to r equal to p of r equal to NCR into p to the power of r into q to the power of n minus r, if r equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. P of r equal to 0 if otherwise. Question number 1. A fair coin is tossed 6 times. Find the probability of getting 4 heads. What is question here? A fair coin is tossed 6 times. Find the probability of getting 4 heads. Now, what is probability of head? How many times tossing coin? This is main thing. Probability of getting a head. Probability of getting a head. Probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Probability of not getting head is 1 by 2. Here, how many times tossing a coin? 6 times, and n equal to 6. Next, find the probability of getting 4 heads, r equal to 4. We know that p of r equal to NCR into p to the power of r, q to the power of n minus r, p of x equal to r equal to p of x equal to 4. Find the probability of getting 4 heads. P of x equal to 4. P of x equal to 4 means p of 4. P of 4 equal to 6c4, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 minus 4, according to the binomial formula. P of x equal to r, NCR into p to the power of r, q to the power of n minus r, like that. P of x equal to 4, 6c4, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4, 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 4 means 6 minus 4. Here 6c4 equal to 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 6 minus 4. According to the combination NCR, what is their NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Like that 6c4 equal to 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4, 1 by 2 whole square. 6 factorial by 4 factorial, 6 minus 4 factorial equal to 2 factorial. 1 by 2, bases same power should be adding. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial equal to 30 by 2. Here 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. Totally what is here? 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, then 3 5 is 15. In numerator is 15, in denominator is 64. Question number, next example. A die is thrown 6 times. A die is thrown 6 times. If getting an even number, is a success. Find the probability of at least one success. Question number 2, less than or equal to 3 success. Question number 3, 4 success. What is there? A die is thrown 6 times, n equal to 6. Here we want the probability of even numbers. Our success is even number. Probability of even number is how many even numbers in die? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Our favorable cases is 6. Number of exhaustive cases is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In solution, in a single throw of a die, an even number can occur in 3 ways out of 6 ways. 3 ways means 2, 4, 6. Out of 6 ways means from 1 to 6. Thus, P equal to probability of occurrence of an even number in one throw 3 by 6. Number of favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Then 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Occurrence here success is 1 by 2. Non-occurrence is Q equal to 1 minus P. Then what is here? 1 minus P means 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Occurrence 1 by 2 you know. Non-occurrence also 1 by 2 you know. Number of trials. How many trials are here? 6 trials. Question number 1. At least, what is there? Question number 1. At least one success. At least one success means P of R greater than or equal to 1. P of R greater than or equal to 1 means P of R equal to 1, P of R equal to 2, P of R equal to 3, plus P of R equal to 4, plus P of R equal to 5, plus P of R equal to 6, like that. Total probability minus remaining rest of the probability means P of R equal to 0. So 1 minus 6 is 0, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 minus 0, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 0. Then what is here? 1 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6, then 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of 6 means 1 by 64, 63 by 64. At least one success is 63 by 64. Probability of at least one success is 63 by 64. Question number 2. Probability of a less than or equal to 3. Probability of less than or equal to 3. P of R less than or equal to 3 means P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3. 1 by 2 to the power of 6 is a common term here. 6 is 0 plus 6c1 plus 6c2 plus 6c3. 6c1 plus 6c2 plus 6c3, total output here 21 by 32. Probability of less than or equal to 3 successes means 21 by 32. Question number 3. Success rate is 4. P of x equal to 4. Then 64 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 minus 4. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 minus 2. Then what is here? 15 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4. 1 by 2 square. Then 15 by 2 to the power of 6 is 15 by 64. Success of 4 is 15 by 64. Next one. Next question. If 3 of 20 tires are defective and 4 of them are randomly chosen for inspection, what is the probability that only one of the defective tire will be included? If 3 of 20 tires are defective and 4 of them are randomly chosen for inspection, what is the probability that only one of the defective tire will be included? Here we can choose 3 defective tires out of 20 tires. Let P equal to probability of defective tire is success equal to our favorable cases 3, total exhaustive cases is 20, 3 by 20. Occurrence is 3 by 20, non-occurrence is Q equal to 1 minus P. Q equal to 1 minus P means 1 minus 3 by 20. 1 minus 3 by 20 equal to 17 by 20. This is probability of non-defective tires. Here given n equal to 4. Randomly 4 of them are randomly chosen. given n equal to 4. The probability that exactly one tire will be the defective P of r equal to 4, P of r equal to 1 equal to 4c1 into occurrence 3 by 20 whole to the power of 1, non-occurrence is 17 by 20 whole to the power of 4 by 1. Here 4c1 equal to 4, 4 into 3 into 17 to the power of 4 minus 1 equal to 3, 17 to the power of 3 by 20 to the power of 1 into 20 to the power of 3, then output equal 0.36. Next question. Determine the binomial distribution for which the mean is 4 and variance equal to 3. Given mean of the distribution equal to 4, that is NP equal to 4. Mean of the binomial distribution is NP. NP equal to 4. And variance of the distribution is 3. Means NPQ equal to 3. NP equal to 4 you know. NPQ equal to 3 you know. NP equal to 4 equation 1. NPQ equal to 3 is equation 2. Equation 2 by equation 1 equal to NPQ by NP. NP cancel, then Q equal to what is it? 3 by 4. Q you know already, then P equal to 1 minus Q. 1 minus Q equal to 1 by 4. NP equal to 4 you know. P you know already. What is P here? P equal to 1 by 4. N into 1 by 4 into 4. N equal to 16. The given binomial distribution has parameters N equal to 16, P equal to 1 by 4, Q equal to 3 by 4. Thank you.